think we've got the basic shape outlined. I think. What birds here? New bird fact is dropped from Birder. Female birds store sperm. I read like literally 5 fucking words or less of that message and I regretted it so fast. What are you talking about? Also, don't pay attention. They asked, but you can just tell them to Google. You know this, right? You don't have to like just... I didn't need to know this. That's so gross. That's so gross. That's terrible. Ew. But it was a bird question I can't resist. Birds truly are fascinating creatures. Yeah, so fascinating. Definitely not cursed at all. Pocket cum. You're telling me they have pocket cum? They're like, oh, I'm gonna keep that for later. Yes? Oh, God. Oh. Why phrase it like that? I felt like the easiest way to describe it. A good weapon if I've ever heard one. Ah! Take that, cat!